As English speakers, we use the phrase looking forward to or I'm looking forward to a lot. We say, I'm looking forward to a great meal tonight. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to going on vacation. We use it so much that we forget that it's an idiom, that it doesn't necessarily mean exactly what it says literally. And that makes it hard to translate literally into Spanish. And we have the inclination as English speakers to try to translate these things that we say often literally into the language that we're learning. But in the case of looking forward to, it doesn't really work. And so to figure out how to say I'm looking forward to in Spanish, we have to consider the meaning behind it. So what does looking forward to mean? It means that you are awaiting something with eagerness, with excitement. You are anticipating the arrival of something. It is a good thing that you're expecting to come. Doing this helps us get out of our English brains and start to think about the meaning behind what we're saying. And this works with any idiom that you are trying to figure out how to convey the meaning of in Spanish. So with that frame of mind, it's easier to see some options for how you might say, I'm looking forward to XYZ in Spanish. Let's look at a couple common expressions that'll help you express a similar sentiment to looking forward to something. First, you can just use the verb esperar, to hope or to wait or to expect. As in, los niños esperan la llegada del Papa Noel. The kids are waiting for or looking forward to the arrival of Santa Claus. Or a business might say, usted puede esperar productos y servicios de alta calidad. You can expect or look forward to high quality products and services. Outside of the verb esperar, you can start to use some more colloquial expressions that also don't translate very well literally into English, but still have a similar connotation of that you're excited for something to happen. The first one is no veo la hora de. For example, no veo la hora de que estemos todos juntos. I can't wait for us to all be together. Another one that you might already be familiar with is tengo ganas de, or tengo muchas ganas de. For example, tengo muchas ganas de verte la semana que viene. I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week. Another one is estoy deseando que. For example, estoy deseando que llegue el verano. I am looking forward to summer getting here. One final one is me hace mucha ilusión. For example, me hace mucha ilusión verte mañana. I'm really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm really excited to see you tomorrow. Third, in more formal written situations, you might see the following at the end of an email, for example. Quedo a la espera de su respuesta. Or quedo a la espera de sus noticias. Or quedo atento o quedo atenta a su respuesta. Both of these are polite, without being overly dramatic ways of saying, I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. Now you know a few good ways to say looking forward to. The next step is to practice it so you don't forget it all. So right now, go and make a few sentences using what you just learned. That way you'll feel confident actually using it in conversation or email. And the next time you go to actually speak with someone, won't be the very first time you've ever tried to say it. If you want more tips to help you with your Spanish, consider subscribing. And if you want even more, you can go to my website, breakthroughspanish.com, where I have tons and tons of information and resources to help learners like you, including a free mini course for beginners. So check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.